Objective: export the finished production-ready pattern as a DXF file. ExactFlat comes with a couple different export profiles to match your cutting machine. If there is not an option for your machine, or you want to edit an existing profile or create a new one, see the ExactFlat Export Profile Editor video. Open the ExactFlat Options window and scroll down to the Pattern Export section. For the text size, 72 printer points are the equivalent of 1 inch. 36 printer points are equivalent to half an inch. From the default Export Profile drop-down, select the option that works with your machine. You can add or edit profiles using the ExactFlat Export Profile Editor. Once selected, hit Apply and then OK. Click the Export button in the Tools section of the ExactFlat toolbar. Below, in the Export Profile Attributes, you will see the unit system that the pattern pieces will be exported in, as well as the curve type, along with the layers that will be exported. In the Export File section, you can also overwrite the unit system of the selected profile when exporting. If everything is correct for you, in the Export File section, make sure that the export file path is set to the correct location. If not, click Browse and set the correct location. Click Export. Open a new instance of Rhino, go to File, and then click Open, and navigate to the exported DXF file. In the DWG/DXF Import Options window, make sure the import units match the units you exported in. Look over the file to make sure it contains all of the necessary information. Your finished pattern pieces are now ready to be sent to the cutting machine. Tip: you can edit the exported DXF file with any 2D CAD viewer. In Rhino, double-click on one of the pieces to edit the CAD block. Key result: you have exported the final pattern as a DXF and open the file to verify its contents.